Yo, what's good guys, and welcome back to my channel, West Coast Built. If you guys seen my last video, you guys know that I'm going to be doing a part installation on my 370Z. And if you guys haven't seen that video, there will be a link in the description below so that you guys can go watch that video. And in that video, I reveal my drift car for this channel. So please, that is a big deal for this channel. Go check it out. Alright, so let's get into it. So in here I have my wheel spacers, and in here I have my camber kit for the rear of my 370Z. So let's jump into it. These are my 25mm spacers for the rear. I was doing a lot of research and I wanted to get really close fitment to the, I want to get like really close fitment to the fender. So in order for that, I saw that people ran 25mm in the rear. They had no problem with that, and 20mm in the front. So I spoke to Z1's Motorsports to double check if these would work, and they confirmed. They said, yeah, you shouldn't have any problem with any rubbing. So we're gonna be installing these, and so this is the SPL rear camber arm for the 370Z. Basically, it's an adjustable tie rod, and why I wanted these was because about a year ago I lowered my car and I got on some BC Racing coilovers. I got the extremely lows, and with that I got some really bad camber. So I don't know why it took me about a year to do this, but I'm gonna just finally, I want to fix the fitment, and on top of that I want to put these in and go get an alignment so that I can have zero camber and toe, because I want to be able to have full grip. I want to be able to start racing, and that brings me up to my next topic. So I haven't been able to really race people like how I want from digs or anything, and I wanted to do like a bunch of filming and racing, like, you know, my friends around here and people from West Coast Built. So after doing this, you guys be on the lookout for a bunch of racing videos with my Nissan 370Z. It's stock right now, but you know, honestly, it's a pretty fast car. It's not the fastest out there, and it's fun to race. And if there's faster cars out there, I don't really care. Let's race. I'm not tripping. I just want to get some footage for you guys. So you guys definitely need to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave comments, because there's gonna be a whole lot of racing and drifting and just like working on my cars. And so if you guys like to see that type of stuff, you guys really need to hit that subscribe button. So let's get into installing this. I'm gonna jack up my car, and first thing I'm gonna try to do is get these camber arms in. Alright guys, so there you have it, my wheels off. Now let me show you guys the tie rod that I'm going to be replacing with my new camber arms. It's going to be that one right there. Alright, to take off the tie rod, you guys will need a 17. So I got the tie rod out. Alright guys, so I got my camber arms close to the original length. So now I'm going to throw these in, and I'm going to tighten this bolt down, I'm going to tighten this nut down, and I'm going to let the alignment guys take care of it. Then I'm gonna do the wheel spacers, and then I'm gonna finish this video. Alright, there we are boys. So I tightened everything down, and that's what it should look like when you guys are done installing them. So gonna put on the other one on the other side over there, and then I'm gonna put on the spacers. So I'm gonna throw on my wheel spacers. These are the 20mm for the front. All you guys really need to do to put these on is you gotta make sure that where the spacers get in contact with the rotor is completely clean. There's no dirt particles or nothing. Some people like to go to AutoZone and get this like adhesive, special adhesive for that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna daily this car. I'm not worried about it. I went to Harbor Freight and I got myself a little torque wrench so I can torque down the spacers to the car. And you guys wanna make sure that you guys check online to see what the proper torque is for your car. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I've had these tires for almost a year, and I haven't lost that much camber wear at all. So this is what I want my rears to look like. That's my goal, and that's the reason why I'm doing the camber arms. Alright guys, so you see this? This is what you want to clean off with the brake cleaner. If you have a 370Z, you're going to want to take off this little nut, bolt, and then we're going to put on the spacer. So there it is, it's on. I'm going to torque these little nuts down, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the new fitment. Alright guys, so there it is. I brought my car out in the sun so you guys can see it better. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I could go a little more, but instead of returning these and getting some bigger ones, I decided why not just get some wheels next. Like honestly, this is looking pretty good. You look at it at the front, it looks pretty meaty. I can't wait to drive it. I'm gonna go take it to get in alignment. The rear, you can see it has a lot of camber. Let's get a better shot on the back. So as you can see, the rear looks a little bit more tucked and it has a lot more camber. See that? But it's a lot meatier. I'm happy with it and I'm not happy with it. You guys be the judge. If this is what you guys want, then go for it. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not really that disappointed. I just know that I could have gone a little bit more in the front. The back seems to be pretty good with 25. Man, I love this car, guys. Honestly though, if you see it from afar, you guys can see that all that gap has been filled in and it's sitting really nice now with the new spacers. So honestly, I'm really happy with it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna sum up this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed that because I really enjoyed installing all that and I'm happy with how the car sits. I'm really excited to start racing it. I'm really excited to go get an alignment. A lot of great things are to come for this channel, a lot of awesome things for 2018. So you guys better subscribe if you're new, hit that like button, please smash that like button, please. I would really appreciate it. And leave comments below what you guys think, anything you guys want to let me know. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.